In this video to get know LG refrigerator, all details before you buy. Let's go a smart inverter compressor. In the LG 240 Litre frost-free double-door convertible refrigerator, ensures energy efficiency and lowers your monthly electricity bills for many years. You can convert this refrigerator's freezer and store your fruits and vegetables in case you have purchased a little more than usual, so you won't have to stuff them up and create a mess on the sheave. With its Multi airflow system, this refrigerator can maintain precise temperatures according to the food items, keeping them fresh for longer periods. Using Tree's smart digéser efficateur in this troubleshoot and if ulc refrigerator. You can call up the LG customer service helpline and keep your in case of a power cut. The Auto Smart Connect technology helps connect this fridge to your home inverter for continuous operation. In this fridge, the shelves are made of toughened glass, which can handle up to 175 kilograms without breaking. So, you can place heavy food items in containers without worrying about damage. Providing a designated space for placing sufficient water and beverage bottles of up to 2L, this refrigerator lets you store ample chilled drinks. As this refrigerator-sized dispenser is made with an inbuilt twist ice maker, it allows you to conveniently dispense ice cubes into the tray when they are frozen and ready. Fitted with an antibacterial gasket, this refrigerator keeps the contents hygienic and healthy for a long time. And you can clean this gasket with ease from time to time for maintenance.